to my channel, and today I welcome our special guest, Dyllan Morais. And in today's video we're going to show you guys how we got these beachy waves. So what would we call this? Like goof-proof?
So I would say goof-proof, sexy beach waves.
Okay, awesome. So if you guys want to see how we got this hairstyle, then please keep watching.
Okay, so I like to spray a working spray onto all of the hair first before curling. Some will say it's wrong, so don't listen to them.
Yeah.
So just divide into a few rough sections. Obviously Tammy has a very thick hair, so a few more sections, but if you don't have that much hair, then just maybe 3 sections.
So cold in my back.
So
what hairspray are you using?
So it's a new one that I'm trying it out, Clarity Professional. It is scented, which I don't usually opt for, but it's quite a soft, subtle scent. So
It smells good though. It smells like fresh smell.
Yeah,
It's not like an overwhelming...
Yeah, not like old lady
Yeah.
curler set smell. Then you're going to brush through. Then you're going to get your model to put the hair in a high pony, just to save yourself a bit of time.
So how hard do you want it?
Like Britney, not high.
Oh. And it doesn't matter, like this
It
doesn't
doesn't
have to
need
be
to
like
be-
smooth or...
No.
Forward. Grow your hair, they said. It'll be
It'll be
fun.
fun, they said. Doesn't have to be very tight. Just so that it's up there. Perfect.
Is that high enough?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to just smooth through the pony after all of that tug of war.
It's Britney, bitch.
And then I'm going to use her styler, 25mm wand. You can see it does reduce in circumference towards the end. And you're just going to go in no particular order.
I think let me turn it to the side so that you can see better.
Wrapping all the way to the end and holding for a few seconds. Depending on your hair, I would usually recommend 3 to 5 seconds. Going for a soft wave, not a deep wave, so you don't want the hair to curl too much. Just like that.
How big or small should the sections be?
So obviously depending on density and hair thickness,
Yeah.
but I mean, use your discretion. Usually a thicker strand will give you a looser wave, and a smaller strand will give you a tighter wave. And if you want more of a beachy feel, mix up and do a few thick, a few thin.
How did you get into hairstyling though? Because makeup's always been your passion and your talent.
So I've always loved hair,
Yeah.
especially styling hair. And yeah, I mean, I suppose with my sisters doing pageants for all those years,
Yeah.
I was the one who kind of did the hair and the makeup. And yeah, I suppose, I mean, I incorporated, I mean, I've been doing makeup now, this is my 12th year. And I incorporated hair 10 years ago. Because I just felt that there was also a need, you know, on shoots and stuff, you know. They couldn't get stylists out, and I mean, it was a passion of mine already. So just got into it, yeah.
You have a full package.
That's Swiss Army knife.
Hey, what?
That's Swiss Army knife.
Yeah.
What?
The hair here isn't as thick as it's.
Yeah, probably from doing tight ponytails, or just from being heavy. Either way, you don't need any more hair shit.
Yeah, please. A little bit, yeah, but the rest can chill. I love a tight pony, but I feel like if you wear a tight pony all the time, like you're gonna shift your hairline.
Yeah, you do. Cause a receding hairline.
Yeah.
Especially if you do it like very often, as in daily.
Yeah.
And you use an alcohol-based either gel or hairspray, definitely.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Best things to do is rather use like a pomade or like a natural-based paste on your edges and your hairline. It's just safer and healthier, and also try not to do as tight of a pony daily.
If I do a tight pony, like by the end of the day, I feel like I have like
And
bricks on my head.
No, I don't
I'm like, take it out.
That's, yeah, well, definitely will. Same with Jane. I always tell her, don't tie your hair so tight.
Oh my word, I know.
Now she doesn't anymore.
And her hair is also so long.
Yeah, I've started thinning out quite a lot.
Yeah, but it'll get thicker now again when she leaves it a bit.
It has. And
yeah.
through without pulling the client's head off. You can also use a big tooth comb for this.
Ooh. Ooh, this looks amazing. Good. Let me turn.
And then if you want a middle path or a side path, you just go from there. And then put a little bit of serum in.
I can't even see how long my hair is. Guys.
It's really long.
Ooh, I love this. This is like I'm glam, but I also
But
kind of
try
just
too hard, yeah.
Yeah.
And nice, quick, effortless.
I feel like because sometimes you can go wrong with curls, you know.
Definitely.
So I feel like this is like quite a
And look poppy.
yeah. Ooh, girl.
And this can obviously be swept back if you want anything more of a classic vibe, or just left loose.
Ooh, this looks amazing. Hello.
And then a little bit of spray. And that's it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you Dolls for collaborating in this video with me. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what you guys want to see next and what you thought of this video. Yes. Say goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh hello, other puppy. Oh yes, I must say hello to you too. Yes. Hello. Oh, hello. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Doesn't close.